Tell 13 what happened. Why was it a successful failure? Apollo 13, what happened to them? Do you know? Well, they were up in space. Their oxygen tank had a time bomb in it that would blow up at a deadly cost, so they had to find a way to get back home. So they slingshot themselves around the moon to get a straight shot home. Well, also they had to figure out how to make the lens square and the command module circle for more oxygen. They made it home from that difficulty. Why it was a successful failure? Because of an oxygen problem. Too much carbon monoxide were to build up. They would have lost 3 men that day. Another reason was it had drew the attention of millions. That is why it is a successful failure. The crew members were James A. Lovell Jr., John L. Swiggett Jr., and Fred W. Hayes Jr. that took the mission. The place where they were trying to land was one of the darkest and hardest places to land. It was their mission to try and land on the moon. So they get to the spot for Ken Manticore, who had gotten sick before the mission. The launch was on April 11th of 1970 for a flight to try and land on the moon. If I was there, I would have been scared and worried. Also, it would be hard to have to try and live with not much oxygen and more carbon monoxide. The most hardest would probably be to fit a circle into a square. No, a square into a circle. With a matter of life and death situation in your head, what would the sound would have been like when you would have made it home from an oxygen problem with too much carbon monoxide from that trip of a death situation? Thanks for watching by Riley Brakefield. The assignment was for science. Thank you for watching, and one more time.